BI Publisher, creating multi-tab output in Excel. This is a sample report in Excel format. The report itself was developed in an RTF template. The information contained here includes enrollment data on a term-by-term basis for one student. What we want to achieve is to have this output spread out across terms, each term being contained in a separate tab or worksheet. This is the main template. At the very top, we have some basic student information, followed by our first for each loop, whereby the grouping is done based on an expression field which contains the session start and end times. The main body contains basic enrollment information such as class, instructor, etc. Start by saving a copy of this template, giving it a unique name. This will be our working file. Next, make some room for the additional tags that we will need to put in here. The first statement is start body. It designates the start of the main part of our data. Anything above this statement will be interpreted as our header. Don't forget, at the end, you will need to close out this tag using the statement end body. Next, we will need to accommodate for splitting out the data into multiple tabs, one tab per term. We start by putting in a for each loop, which is grouped by the description or the term field. And make sure that we set a page break on this. Click OK. Now we see that there are certain tags that are being generated here automatically. I'm going to quickly change the color for these tags just to make things a little bit easier since we have multiple groupings in this template. I cut and paste the page break and the end tag right before the end of the body. And at this point, I insert the following statement. Let me quickly change the font color here to make it more apparent. So I start by typing out this function called spreadsheet, sheet name, and I add description field here. What this command does is it tells BI Publisher at runtime to place each output onto a separate worksheet, and each worksheet will be given the respective term's name. Previewing this in Excel, we do see that indeed 3 separate tabs have been created for the 3 terms on the student's record. Thanks for watching.